But many people don't feel safe. They want to find some certainty of the future, and they just don't feel that peace, and they're trying to make that by buying insurance, by collecting money, by seeing what's going to happen the next day, by making sure they have a secure job. And I'm not saying, once again, that this is bad. I'm not saying that you should not be doing that. But your security is very difficult to feel it. Doesn't matter how much money you have. Doesn't matter how secure your job is. Doesn't matter if you know the next week or what's going to happen within a year. You still have some level of insecurity in yourself. So in this level is when you need to trust a superior power. When you trust a superior power, when you do everything right, when you go in the right path, that's when you feel in peace. That's when you feel secure. That's when you feel completely safe about what's going to happen, because you know that everything that's going to happen is going to be for your own good.